February 16. Ayla just got up from a nap. 10 months old. Mommy's here.
Hi, baby. Hi. Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Did Daddy come in and say hi to you? Gonna show him your teeth? Show him your teeth. Come on. Oh, you're still sleepy. Are you still sleepy? Smile. Smile. Show him your teeth. Show him your little teeth coming in. Are you awake? Looks like it. You gonna stay up? How long was your nap? I think a couple hours. I think so. You should be awake. Ready to play? You need diaper change? Do you need diaper change?